day one, I am at home alone during lockdown. So after coming to Bangalore, I have never been alone at home. So this is gonna be a very, very different experience for me. And time right now is 5:45. So I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning because I had to prepare lunch for everybody. So let me show you what and all I prepared. Like leftover which I kept little bit for me. So I made vegetable pulao and raita and bundi raita, omelette, and this is rava upma for the breakfast and little bananas. So it's 9 o'clock now and I just woke up because I was feeling really very tired and sleepy, so I slept off, and now I have few things to do which I regularly do. I don't have to cook today because I already cooked in the morning, so I don't have to do that, but I have a lot of utensils to wash, clean the house. So as I told you that I have to wash a lot of utensils today because I did not do it in the morning. So here's a glimpse of it. Yeah. A lot of work to do, so let's do it. So now after washing the utensils, I am having my breakfast. Here it is. So the next activity which I'm going to do is water these plants. So this is maintained by my mother-in-law. She loves plants. So because she's not there, I'm going to take care of them. I'm going to be the plant mamas. And the new flowers today is this one. So here we go. So I've completed all my work, cleaning, washing and watering the plants. I took bath and now I'm gonna have my lunch. Day 1 lunch menu is mango bundi raita, vegetable pulao and omelette. So it's sunset time and coffee time for me in the evening. So this is where I sit every day and enjoy my green tea. Good morning, it's day 2 and so today I don't have much work. So I am preparing puri and chana for breakfast. The day is very beautiful, it's sunny and currently I'm taking some sunlight. Puri ka atta is already ready. And let me see what about my chana. Ew, smoking hot. Steaming hot chole and puri is my breakfast for day 2. Good morning on day 2. So here are some new flowers for today. Look at these. So for the afternoon activity, I had thought that I would be recording a few videos today. But it looks like it's gonna rain, so the lighting is not that good. So if the lighting is good, I will record, and if it's not, then probably tomorrow. So it's night 8 o'clock and I was lucky that I could shoot some episodes, and those are about the Ladakh series, so they're coming soon. And now I just prepared my dinner, which is scrambled egg and some Maggi. And also I'm watching a movie called Witches. And then probably after having dinner, I'll speak to my parents and then do a kill and then sleep. So it's day 3 morning and the morning is like really pleasant. I just finished my yoga, which I do every day. If I'm not able to do yoga, if I feel sore on my body, then I do pranayam every day without fail. If I'm not feeling like doing it in the morning, I do it at night so that I get good sleep. So I would like to say that once you start practicing yoga, there is no comeback. It is so relaxing, so soothing that you would like to do it again and again. I don't know how many of you actually practice yoga, but I have been practicing it since my school days, and I'm really, really very, very happy and grateful that I'm able to do that. So today I have a lot of things to wash, like the curtains, the bed sheets. So that is the major work which I have. I will be doing more episodes on Ladakh series. So that's about the day. I will show you my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Three breakfast is chapati, ajwain wali, chole, and boiled bananas. So yesterday when I made puri, the atta was little left over, so I made chapatis with that. And this is a special kind of banana which is called etaparam in Kerala, and it's very, very nutritious. So this is my day 3 breakfast. The climate is too windy today, and because our house is super ventilated, look at how the curtains are flying. It's very cold in Bangalore. It's gonna rain. Don't know. Flower of the day. So after lunch, I shot another 3 videos for the YouTube channel, and then I have been watching a movie, and now I'm having dinner. So for dinner, I have made chow mein today. Ooh. And that's my movie. So it's day 4 morning, and today was the day when Akhil and his parents were supposed to come back, but the important thing which they went for that got delayed, and so they are starting tomorrow. So there is one more day for me to stay alone. Yeah, so for breakfast, I am having the noodles which I made yesterday night because it was too much. अब एक इंसान के लिए कितना बनाएंगे, right? So usually I need to eat it like 2 times. So I'm having the same noodles. I woke up in the morning because of some disturbances outside because some work was happening. And as usual, I did my yoga and then some cleaning work and all that. So today's work is again, I have a lot of clothes to wash and need to cut all the vegetables for tomorrow as they are coming tomorrow. I need to prepare lunch and dinner. So what I usually do is I prepare everything in advance, and then I just have to cook it on the next day. So that's how the routine is. Today's garden update is there is no new flowers as such for today. It is a sunny morning, so I have kept some red chilies for drying because we make homemade powder with this red chili powder. So yeah, that's it about the garden today. It's day 4 afternoon. I'm done with all my cleaning work, washing the clothes, watering the plants in the garden, and I had my lunch. So it was khichdi today, and so I feel a little tired for doing any more videos for today. I had thought of finishing 4 more videos, but I guess I'll do my editing work now, and yeah. So this is my dinner for the night. It's khichdi with achari paneer and some papad, and then I also have little bit of curd. So the trip which Akhil and his parents were taking was delayed by 1 day. So instead of 4 days, I got like 5 days to be home alone. So did not update anything since morning because I was busy with a lot of work. So day 5 started like really sunny, and so for breakfast I did not feel like making anything, so I just had fruits and an omelette. And for lunch, I made sambar, rice, and green banana. And also, there is a surprise for our granny because she's coming back after almost 2 years, and I am preparing a cake for her. She loves chocolate cake, but not too sweet. So I have made it almost ready. I would also share the recipe with you guys because you had requested for it in the Instagram. So yeah, I will show you their expression as well after they come back. So stay tuned. So everyone is back home and I really surprised Granny, but the thing is I couldn't take any video because everybody was so tired. So we just had to do everything very fast, and we had a lot of luggage from Kerala. Granny is really interested in all this gardening and all, so she has got all these homegrown vegetables and then coconut and all that. So the luggage was like really heavy, so everybody is like too tired now. So yeah, I couldn't take any video or photo for their excitement about the cake. But anyways, I will share the recipe as I promised. So there's a link in description which you can see for the recipe. Also, I'm like really glad that he's back home. Well, being home alone was not that easy, but we were like continuously
Somebody was actually
each other.
disturbing me. I would say somebody was actually disturbing me, not giving me a peace of mind at all.
Coming back from Kannur to Bangalore is the part 3 of the video, and you would get a lot of information on all the travel details and all the travel experience which Akhil, his parents and his granny had. So
Stay tuned.
yes, do watch the next episode. Bye-bye.